In this video, we will see the procedure to customize three interface areas in BricsCAD: menus, toolbars, and the ribbon. The menu bar includes menus at the top of the screen and the context menu, which are activated by right-clicking the drawing area. To customize the menu items, give Customize command or click on Customize Ribbon button in the Interface Settings dialog. Click on Menus tab. Here you will see the main menu and the context-sensitive menu. You can add a menu item by clicking on the plus sign corresponding to that item. Now the various items in the file menu is shown, and you can add a desired item to this menu. Right-click and click on Insert Item. Then you will get Add Menu Item dialog box. Click to expand the plus sign corresponding to the file menu and select PDF Export Options and OK. Now that item is added to the file menu and click on OK. Now when you click on the file menu, you can see the PDF export option added to this menu. You can remove this item by going to the same Customize dialog and expand options corresponding to file, select PDF export option, right-click and delete. Click on Yes and OK. You can see Toolbar right below the menu bar. You can change the size of tools in the toolbar by right-clicking on the toolbar and click on Toolbar Size. Click on Large Icons. Now we have large icons here. You can add or delete new tools in the toolbar using the same Customize dialog. Click on the Toolbars tab. Here you can see all items in the existing toolbar. You can create a new toolbar by right-clicking on BricsCAD and click on Append Toolbar. You can give a new title. I'll call it as My Toolbar. Then you can drag various items from the right panel to the toolbar. Click to expand the 2D constraints and drag the coincident constraint to the toolbar. Also, I'll drag collinear and the concentric constraints and click on OK. Now you can see My Toolbar appearing in the workspace. You can also customize the ribbon. The ribbon consists of a ribbon tab on top, then the ribbon panels, command buttons, and flyouts. Click on the Ribbon tab in the Customize dialog to customize the ribbon. Right-click on Ribbon tabs and you can append a new ribbon tab. Under the ribbon tabs, you can see number of items. Each of these items corresponds to ribbon tabs. You can add a panel to a tab by right-clicking on the tab name and click on Append Panel. Click to expand the plus sign corresponding to a panel, and you can see the panel names in the ribbon. Select the draw panel, for example, right-click and click on Show Panel. Now you can see all the command buttons in the draw panel. If you want to add a command button, select a command button, right-click and click on Insert Command Button. Click to expand Draw, select Fit Polyline and click on OK and OK. Now you can see the command button corresponding to Fit Polyline added to the draw panel. At any point of time, you can get the default workspace by clicking on Manage Your Customization button in the Customize dialog and click on Revert to Defaults button. Click on OK and OK.